Hey guys, very good evening and welcome again to another live trading session with me and Market Potentials. Now, if you're interested to see exactly how you can start making $100 in profit trading every 30 seconds, keep watching. This video is going to show you exactly how. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, unfortunately a little bit slow there because I'm trying to trade, talk, and record at the same time. But nonetheless, that's fine. We will wait for another opportunity. So as I was saying, basically in this channel, I show you exactly how you can start trading and be profitable. As you can see, guys, it's already going upwards, which is what I did earlier, but that's fine, okay? Now, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the scenes behind of my trading account. Today is 18th of May, 11 minutes past 8 p.m. This is a no BS video, and the channel itself is about that, to show you exactly how I do my trades, execute my trades, make the decisions behind them, and hopefully you can do the same as well by watching, learning, and with the sharing that I do. That's really all it is, guys. The first thing you want to do is, if you want to join me on this, is sign up for the link down below for a trading account. That will sort you out. Now let's put in the trade for the day. I put in $150, guys. And on a successful outcome, if it is successful, then we pocket $109.50. Now, the objective for today's trade, as the title implied, you're going to be making 2 trades each for $150, and to see whether we're going to be able to make $100 out of each of it. So there we go. There it is. Okay, so that's $109.50. That's the first trade in the bag, guys, as promised. Though it did look a little bit, frightening there, I suppose. But I did expect it to tend upwards. It did. That's fine. That's in the bag. So that's trade number 1 in the bag. And let's see if we can make another one here. Unfortunately, I'll sit this one out because the timing, unfortunately, is not that great. It could shoot up and come down in that. But okay, I'll talk to you about that now. Basically, guys, what you want to keep in mind is that not every trade is something you want to jump on. All right, so it's okay to sometimes sit out and wait and look at how it performs. In this trade, yeah, it actually strengthened quite significantly, as you can see here. Now, guys, the binary option trade only lasts for 30 seconds, so timing is critical. Unlike Forex, you can't really ride it out, so to speak, keep in position open in the hopes of it recovering. But the advantage is that, did you have a look at the payout? We are making 73% of each particular trade that I punch in every single time. All right, so I'm literally making $100 out of every $150 that I put in. Now, guys, while I was just talking to you, I have put in the second trade. Okay, I've selected lower on this. Okay, so this is the entry point. Now, I would be in the money on this trade if it is below the red line here. Now, let's see if that happens. It does seem to be looking my way at the moment, and I reckon this is in the back. Okay, so I've got 2 seconds left, guys. And there we go. So that's trade number 2 bagged, and that's the second $200 I promised you. Well, to be accurate, $109.50 from in profit. Yeah, guys. Again, yeah, that's $109.50 in profit of 2 trades. So we are sitting at a total gain in a matter of minutes of $219. Okay, that's US dollars, 219 US dollars in profit. Now, the indicators that I use, guys, are very, very basic, and you have full access to them the moment you sign up for the trading platform. Again, the link sign up is down below. You can get sorted out right now in a matter of minutes. Okay, so once you go through the registration process for the platform, you provide a photo ID. Again, this is a regulated trading platform based in the EU, and obviously it's regulated by EU rules, money laundering, all that stuff. So basically, you just need to provide a photo ID. So once you do all of that, you have full access to a trading account. What you see on my screen is exactly what you get, guys, all right? Now, I don't prescribe to any other trading signals or any other stuff like that. I use the data that is available on the platform in real time, and that's it, okay? So let me just show you guys the indicators that I'm using for those of you who may be curious. I've got a Bollinger Bands up here, okay? I'm using candlesticks, as you can see here. The second one is RSI, Relative Strength Indicator. Sorry, the second one is the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The third one is the RSI. So all of that stuff, you just come down to the popular section, just go ahead and click what you want and you get it there. Now, let's talk about how I made this trade and what I reckon of it, okay? So in the second trade, unfortunately you can't see what happened the first one. The second trade, basically I put in $150. All right, so to rewind, I put in $150. I reckon I entered the trade about 3 seconds to the purchase deadline. This white dotted line, guys, this is the purchase deadline, all right? And this red line, expiration line. So if you're going to make a decision whether you're going to buy, sorry, whether it's going to be higher or lower, you got to do that before it hits the red, sorry, before it hits the white line, all right? The important thing you want to remember is that you don't have to be compelled to trade every single time. You can sit it out, be comfortable. Once you're comfortable, then go in and make a decision. Now, all you have to do in binary option trade is basically select higher or lower. That's it. Now, like I said, you are forecasting the direction of the chart in 30 seconds, and you're just basically saying if it's going to be higher or lower. If you get it right, you get 73%. That's ROI. All right, 73% ROI on whatever money you put in. That's it. In plain speak, that's exactly it. Nothing else. All right. So that's basically the gist of the trade. Now, I identified that it was going to go a little bit lower than this point, or rather it would in the very near future, meaning like in the next 30 seconds, because of the indicators, all right? In the MACD, basically when the red line crosses over the blue line, that is basically when a reversal is about to happen, and you can actually see that here in the zoom down view, all right? The 2 minutes window, you can see that the red line was just coming up here. Now, timing is important, guys, because if you notice, some of my previous videos or even in this, I trade very close to the purchase deadline. Now, the reason I do that, sorry, it was here. The reason I do that is because it's critical to get as much data as possible before we swing into the trade itself. Okay, so you can see here, right, that the blue line and the red line are very, very close together. And, from a little bit of experience, you know that it's very likely going to be spilling over, or rather swinging the other way around, okay, based on also what's happening previously, okay? So I've got the RSI, which shows me that it is kind of, well, if it goes above the green, right, this is the overbought condition, it would definitely correct. So you can see it goes up above the green, it would definitely come down. If it's close to this, then you kind of have to look at other indicators. But based on what I saw here and also the Bollinger and the candlesticks, my guess is that it was going to go for a reversal, and which is why I put in $150. I said it's going to go down, and I got it right, and hence the $109.50 in the second trade around. Okay. So that's really it. In technical analysis, in binary option trade, basically you're just using the data that you have, and they're all here to show you exactly the best probability, the best statistics, the best movement patterns that has been identified to make a guess on whether it's going to be higher or lower. That's it. All right. Another thing I wanted to share about the basics of binary option is that you're still trading on the underlying forex instrument, which is the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. This is the forex pair we are trading. The only difference is I'm going to be trading it on a binary option trade. Now, there are plenty of other assets you can trade in this platform, guys. Binary option is the one I did earlier. Okay, so you also have digital options. You've got forex, you've got cryptos, you've got stocks as well. Fancy buying Zoom stocks there, you can do that here. Commodities, you can buy gold, and ETFs are available as well. So it's a full-fledged trading platform, guys. Not just necessarily this. I also have some videos talking about some of the other instruments. So go ahead, check that out if you want. Don't forget to do the most important thing after watching this video, which is smashing that subscribe button, and do give me a like if you think this video has been helpful. And I will look to see you again in another trade in the very near future. Again, guys, the goal was to make 2 trades for $100 in profits. We did exactly that, so that's $100 every 30 seconds as promised. Take care now, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.